All right, now let's go over this special type of piston. This piston is a spiral piston because it screws in and out. Rather than being pushed by pressure, it pushes it in a rotation, kind of like a bolt going into a hole. This is used on rear calipers that have the integrated handbrakes. So like this setup right here. So make sure you don't try to push these in and out because you're not going to get nowhere and you're probably going to break the piston or the caliper. This is the tool you're going to need. All right, so when it comes in the box, which is over here, I'll just go ahead and grab this real quick, show you the box. This is my personal one, so it's well used. And you'll notice that it came with 2 sets of these. Okay, one is for right hand screwing and one is for left hand screwing. So, and to be honest with you, I honestly don't know how to tell the difference until you're actually doing it, depending on which side you're going to need. So I usually just try one. If it doesn't work, I switch to the other one. So for this, we're going to be using the A set. You can see how it's got the 2 prongs. These prongs fit directly into the 2 holes right here on the piston's head. Then the 2 holes on the back of the set get put into this on the back side of the tool. In there. All right, and once it's locked in, you can go ahead and start unscrewing this piece until this plate matches up with the back of the caliper, or I'm guessing the front of the caliper actually. Now this is the part where you figure out which one you need to use. See, I'm going to be rotating this in a loosening faction or a counterclockwise, and you can see the piston turning, and that's the wrong way. So let's try going back the other way, and you can see the piston is actually screwing back into itself, and this is staying stable, so I have the right size. If this starts coming loose and you have to keep retightening this part up to hold this plate to the front of the caliper, you have the wrong tool and you need to switch over to the other one. It should keep itself, it should constantly keep pressure applied, so all you have to do is keep turning. Like so. Forever and a day. All right, I've just reached the bottom. I can't turn it anymore. Go ahead, get yourself a adjustable wrench. Put it onto the head right here, and you're gonna need to twist this. So in my case, because this is a right hand tighten, or a counterclockwise tighten, I need to tighten this to push it down. To remove the tool, like so. And there you have it. Your piston is now compressed.